Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can wear multiple accessories in Roblox. So first off, go to the Roblox website and simply click on your avatar. From here, we want to go to accessories and pick the subcategory that you want to add multiple accessories of. So I'm going to do head. Now here, as you can see, we have the option to equip up to 3 hats, or so it says. What we need to do is right click on each of these accessories that we want to equip and then click on open link in new tab. I'm going to do this for all 5 of these hats right here. Okay, so now if we go to these links that we just opened, as you can see, we have a unique number right here. All of these numbers are different. So go back to your main avatar right here and click on advanced. Now what we need to do is simply copy these numbers right here and paste them one under the other for every single accessory that we want to equip at once. So international Spain hat, and this is the last one. So now that I have copied all of these numbers, all you need to do is press save. Are you sure you want to overwrite your current look? Save. And as you can see, we have equipped all 5 hats at once. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe if it helped you out. I will see you next time. Goodbye.